Number 37 in your classwork for quadratic functions asks you to find the vertex, openness, and axis of symmetry, and max and min of each of the following equations. So for 37 we have y equals negative 2 times x plus 5 squared minus 4. So we already know the direction of openness is going to be downwards because we have a negative out in front of this as the coefficient here in front of the x squared term. So this means that for any large x that we plug in, so looking at our n behavior, so this negative 2 is going to dominate that. So we're going to have opens downward. Then finding the vertex, so since it is vertex form, it's very easy. We have this opposite h, so that'd be vertex at negative 5, negative 4, just looking, we take plus k. Then looking for the axis of symmetry. So our axis of symmetry is at this vertex point, so that would be axis of sym at x equals negative 5. And since this parabola opens downward, our vertex must therefore be a maximum. So it is a max. And we can go ahead and graph this. So let's graph it over here, because this would be for number 36. So this is 37. So our vertex is at negative 5, negative 4. And we open downwards with a coefficient of negative 2. So looking at our normal like y equals x squared graph, so it would open something like this. But if we multiply it by scaling factor, so if we have like y equals 2x squared, which we have in this case, well, we have actually negative 2x squared. But if we look at just 2x squared, then comparing to just x squared, right, this would be scaled upwards, so it would look like this. So this means that when we have our function for 37, it would look something like this. If you really want to get specific, you can make a table of values and plot specific points, but this is just a rough graph, so this is generally what it would look like.